Have you ever wondered why it feels good to sin? Because your flesh doesn't care about your eternity. It's not going with you. For you were made from the dust, and to the dust you shall return. Kaya sabi ng Panginoong Hesus sa John 3 verse 3, kailangan mong ipanganak muli dahil walang way na makapunta ng langit kung spiritually dead ka pa din. You need to be born again. Hindi po relihiyon ng born again, hindi po organization yan. It's a personal miracle na mangyayari sa'yo kapag nagkaroon ka ng tunay at genuine na pananampalataya kay Jesus. Matatanggap mo ang Holy Spirit. Itong flesh natin, itong sinful nature natin, ang desire lang yan ay temporary pleasure. Kaya naglalaban yung dalawang yan. Flesh versus spirit, hanggat nabubuhay ka. Kung na-born again ka na. Kaya nung wala pa tayong Jesus dati sa buhay, di ba? Normal lang magmura kasi walang nagko-convict sa atin. Normal lang gumawa ng kasalanan kasi walang lumalaban sa flesh. Pero nung na-born again ka na, naglalaban na yung dalawang yan. The sinful nature wants to do evil,